Every person want to be a successful person in life. You will not find a single person who will tell you that I want to be a failure person. Every person want to be a successful person in life. Then why people are not successful? This is the main problem, because they are not sincere with their self. They don't have a time bonded goals. They have goals, but there is no time bonding, and they are not loving their self. They are not working sincerely with their own self, and they are always claiming that people are not sincere with me, people are not sincere with me, my friends are not sincere with me. Actually, first of all, you need to be a sincere with yourself. What is sincerity? You should take care of yourself, like you should do exercise daily. You should be careful in your eatings, like in your diet. What are you eating? If you are eating junk food every day, like a lot of people are saying fast food, what will happen with you? Your health will be not good, and it will not affect immediately, slowly. People are doing smoking. This is very bad habit. This is very injurious for health. This is very injurious for their pocket, and they are well aware about that smoking is very dangerous, very injurious. Even they are doing. So it's mean they don't love their self. If you don't love yourself, if you are not sincere with yourself, how you will achieve your success in life, how you will achieve your goal? So whatever you want to do, first of please do with purity of heart, purity of mind, and purity of sincerity. I will talk about students. First of all, why students are getting fail, why they are getting less marks. The reason is that they are getting less marks because they are not sincere with their study. Even then, their parents are spending a lot of amount on their fees, on their tuition, on their pocket money. Even then, students are unable to give results, and their duty is only one: to bring good marks, to bring good grades. So if they are getting good marks, they are getting good grades, so they will be getting admissions on merit. They will be able to get admission in their favorite universities, in their favorite field. Please be sincere with yourself. Think about your parents. Your parents are investing money for you. When you will be parent in future, then you will realize these things. So therefore, before that time, I am telling you, just think about it, be sincere. And second thing, if you will talk about the people who are doing job, most of the people are claiming that the company is not increasing their salary. Have they are working extra 1 hour or 2 hour on daily basis? They will not talk about this. Actually, this is very easy to say others. If you are talking about others, so this is a one finger, and three fingers is on yourself. So you should think about first yourself, then think about others. So greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. This channel is helping a lot for people and changing the life of people and helping them to achieve their goal, especially to improve their confidence level and their spoken English skills. Today we are going to do spoken English practice number 30. If you are new on this channel and if you are watching first time this video, please subscribe this channel Spoken English Masterclass, and I hope this channel will help you a lot in your day-to-day life, and especially spoken English and confidence building. And second thing is that if you don't know how to do the practice, please you can watch videos from spoken English practice number 1 till spoken English practice number 29, so you will be able to do better practice. So now we are moving further and we are going to do spoken English practice number 30, and the topic for today exercise is leaders and leadership. So I am going to ask you question. Question number 1, are you a leader? Question number 2, what is a leader? Question number 3, who are the first leaders who came to your mind? Question number 4, what qualities make people great leaders? Question number 6. What are the qualities that every leader should have? 7. Are some people natural leader? 8. How you can become a leader? 9. What is the difference between leader and manager? Would you like to be a leader in future? Second last question. Why do some people think that it's a bad thing to always follow other people? And last question. What is the definition of leader according to your own thought? According to your own thinking. First of all, please, you need to understand you are already a leader. Everybody is a leader, because leader mean leading. Like you are doing your, if you are a student, you are responsible for your study and your results. You are a leader, because people or parents will ask from you what result you will bring. If you are doing a job, you are a leader for your own responsibilities. And if you are a manager, then you are responsible for a group of people. If you are general manager, then you are responsible for a lot of managers and a group of people. And if you are a CEO, then you are overall responsible for the organization, people, organizations, goals, mission, vision. So every individual is a leader according to my own thinking, because leader mean responsibility. Leader mean who can lead someone, who can change your mindset, your thought about something. So that is a leadership. Leadership mean, for example, if you are thinking a company mobile is not good, and I am telling you some feature about that mobile phone, and your thought is getting changed, and now you are saying that yes, a company mobile is good. Before my opinion, you are saying a company mobile, company A or company B mobile is not good. Now you are saying company A or company B mobile is good. So it's mean, this is, I am giving you example, company A, company B. So this mean, like if some people are changing your thoughts, changing your mindset, you can also say that person is a leader. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I congratulate you that you have completed your spoken English practice number 30. If you are new or watching first time this video, you can watch all previous videos, spoken English masterclass YouTube channel, spoken English practice number 1 till spoken English practice number 30. Please share this video on social media with your friends, help them, and this is the best way to practice your spoken English while sitting anywhere. Thank you very much. Goodbye.